Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to be taking you guys along with me while I do my little transformation slash glow up for my graduation. I'm going to be giving you guys like a little mini pretty little thing haul, and I'm getting my hair and my nails done, and I'm also getting some Converse to like just tie the whole thing together, you know what I mean. I'm currently in 8th grade and I'm graduating to high school, but yeah, let's just get into the video. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm not gonna do a fake thing. I opened it already because I forgot I was recording this video, so I opened it already. Yeah, my stuff got here, and what I ordered was this dress, this t-shirt dress, because I don't really like fancy dresses, so I got a t-shirt dress. If you prefer like not fancy stuff, more casual, then I recommend this t-shirt dress. It's very nice. It fit me pretty well. We got 2 sizes. The other one, it was way too big for me. The smaller size, it fit me pretty well. So yeah, and I'm just gonna wear some shorts underneath that. I'm not gonna wear like tights or anything, but yeah, we're gonna get Converse, so when I get my Converse you guys will see that as well. And I also ordered some rings, a necklace set with butterflies on it, because like, you know, butterflies are my thing. But the rings, they're very cute, they're very pretty. There's 6 of them. I don't style rings very well, so I'm sorry if it looks kind of awkward. I don't know how they're supposed to look, so yeah, but that's that. Then I got a necklace set. It has like butterflies and stuff on it because butterflies are my thing, and yeah, it came tangled, like it came in the thing tangled, and I was like, bro, so I had to untangle that for like 20 minutes. But yeah, I'm excited to see how everything is looking, how everything is going to look together. I forgot to put this in the video, but everything that I got is from Pretty Little Things, so you can find all these things on their website. The rings and the necklace set and the t-shirt dresses. And I'm also going to be getting some coil braids. I don't know what they're actually called, but like, what are they actually called? Everybody calls them coil braids. I'm gonna get them like not too long, like right here probably. But yeah, I like everything so far. I'm just really excited to see how the braids turn out and the Converse and everything, how it looks together. But yeah, I will keep you guys updated, and I'll see you whenever I get my shoes or I get my hair done. I'm probably gonna get my shoes first and then get my hair done, most likely. But yeah. Hi guys, so my Converse got here this morning while I was sleeping, and my dad came in my room and he was like, oh, her Converse got here. And he actually opened my box because he thought it was his, so he opened it. So I taped it back up. I didn't even open the actual Converse because I wanted to get my actual reaction. These are my first pair of Converse. I've never owned any Converse before, so exciting stuff. We ordered it yesterday, made sure it came the next day, because if we didn't order it the next day, it would have came the day of my graduation, and we didn't want to do that. So yeah, let's see guys. Okay, let's see. Got the little wrapping paper. Ew. We went to the store and we couldn't find them in my size. I'm a size 7 in Converse. There was only like 8s and like 6.5s and stuff. So I'm gonna try them on and see how they feel. Okay, I literally just laced them up. You didn't even see that, but I just laced them up and everything. And I'm gonna try them on without socks. Why are these literally so difficult to get on? Guys, my first pair of Converse. Why do I actually love them? Oh my gosh. Guys, I like them. Woo! But they're uncomfortable. They're kind of, I don't know. Like, Converse aren't the most comfortable shoes. You know what I mean? Ugh! I really like them. I really like them a lot. Yeah. These are a woman's size 7. I'm very happy that I got my first pair of Converse, guys. I'm pretty sure that I am gonna get my hair done next, so maybe you'll see that next, because my auntie's gonna do my hair. So yeah, I will see you whenever I get my hair done or my nails or whatever is next. I'm getting my hair done today, so I'm excited. I don't know completely like how I'm gonna do my hair. Like, I know my original picture for inspiration was that picture. I don't think I want the ones out because it's just my first time getting these kinds, so yeah, this time I'll just leave them in, but yeah, so it's easier on my auntie. But yeah, anyways, I have to wash my hair and prep it for the braids and everything. I'm very tired. Yesterday was my sister's graduation, tomorrow's my dad's graduation, and then the day after that I get my nails done, and then 2 days after that I graduate, so that will be very fun. So basically today when I wash my hair, I have to shampoo and condition it, blow dry it and comb it out. Scalp conditioner, it's like an oil thing. Go to my auntie's house and then she's gonna do my hair. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get out of the shower. If you want to know like what I use in my hair and everything, I'm pretty sure I have a video about that. But yeah, I use the Pantene shampoo and conditioner. I'll see you guys in a couple seconds, but like half an hour for me. Yep. Okay, so I washed my hair and everything, and I have to blow dry it and everything. When I was in the shower, I put like this oil mixture in it to make it a little, I don't know. I just did that because someone on TikTok said to do it. Going to section it and blow dry it and put this in it. I've used this before, I think, or last time I used something like slightly different. Okay, so this is the first section done. I'm going to go ahead and do this next section, so I'll come back when I'm done with this. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done not straightening, blow drying this side of my hair. Now I'm gonna do this side. It's actually like longer than I thought it would be. It's right there. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be right back, guys. I don't think it's gonna damage or anything, but I'm still putting in the heat protectant like just in case and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so I finished blow drying my whole head. So it's actually pretty long, longer than I thought. You can see it though, so yeah. So I combed out everything. Yeah, it wasn't that hard. Yeah, it's 2:24, so I actually got my hair done faster than I thought I would have. I don't know if my auntie's back home yet because she went to the store, but we'll see. Just putting it in a ponytail for now. Okay, I will see you guys later. I forgot to film, but we're in the middle of doing my hair. I'm at my aunt's house right now. So yeah, but I'll come back when at least like half of it is done. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Guys, so it is the morning and today's my dad's graduation, so I had to just do my hair really quick. So this is how long it is. It looks so nice. I love it. My auntie didn't want me to film her, so I didn't film getting it done or anything. But yeah, I really love it. Please don't mind the mess in the back, but I'm gonna show you guys the full length. The full length is like right here-ish. It's not past my butt or anything. Yeah, it's like it's very nice. I like it like so much. I think it suits me very well. And yeah, I really like it. I did get some out, but like they didn't curl as well as I wanted them to, but they still look cute, you know what I mean? So yeah, but okay, I will see you guys tomorrow when I get my nails done. So yeah, hope you guys liked the hairstyle. And my auntie did it, so I didn't get it professionally done, but it looks like really good. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm on my way to go get my nails done. I don't know if she's gonna let me record or anything. I'm not gonna really like have anywhere to set it up, so I'll probably just show you like the before and then like after. So yeah, this is like before, I guess. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we're in there.
I should have did before pictures. I always with natural nails. Like I've got to figure it out. But you just got to.
So it is the day of graduation. I literally forgot to update you guys on my nails, but it's been what, 1 or 2 days since I've had them on, and they're really, I love them so much. And yeah, they're butterflies, the butterfly theme. There's butterflies on here, and then butterflies on my nails, and then my phone case. You guys can't see my phone case, but there's butterflies on my phone case. I'll probably just take it off just to show you. And then this is what my phone case looks like. So fun. I literally forgot that I was filming this video. Like I forgot I was filming like a transformation for my graduation video, but I'm also like gonna vlog my graduation and everything. So yeah, but yeah, I hope you guys liked the transformation. This is the the finished product, I guess you could say. Yeah, I have the rings on and everything, and the necklace, and then the Converse I had on, and then the t-shirt dress. It fits really nice. Yeah. But yeah, guys, that'll be it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you guys next time. Love you guys.